Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make 4 different Christmas treat ideas. They're all very festive and easy to make. Oh, my cat is trying to come in. But anyways, I thought I would bring back my old videos that I used to make all the time, which is the treat videos for like every single holiday. I decided to do that this year instead of Vlogmas because I've had like no time to really film this year. It's just been crazy. So sorry if this video is up a little bit later in the week. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's just get started. So for the Jello cups, you will need some Ready Whip, some Christmas sprinkles, and some strawberry and lime Jello. So I first just started by boiling, I think it was 1.5 cups of water, but you can just follow the instructions on the back of your Jello package. And while the water was boiling, I first just started by making the green Jello, and I just used 2 of the packages, and then I just poured the boiling water in and stirred, and then you just want to leave it in the fridge for 4 hours, and I did the same for the red Jello. So once it was done, I just started by using a cup and cutting out little circle shapes. I didn't have a small little cookie cutter, but if you do, you can use that too. And I pretty much just started layering the 2 colors. And I just topped it off with some whipped cream and sprinkles, and yeah, that's pretty much it. They turned out very festive and cute. So to make the Oreo cookie ornaments, you are going to need some white chocolate candy melts, some Oreo cookies, mini Reese's peanut butter cups, and an assortment of candies. So I first just started by melting my white chocolate in the microwave, and it helps if you use a spoonful of coconut oil to help it melt better. And I heated it up for 30-second intervals. And then I just started by taking my Oreo cookies and covering it with the white chocolate, and this is the fun part where you can just start decorating it. So I used the Reese's peanut butter cup as the little top of an ornament. I don't really know what it's called. And then I just started by taking some red and green M&Ms, and yeah, I basically just decorated all of them. And they ended up turning out really cute. So to make these Christmas pretzel sandwiches, You are going to need some Christmas sprinkles, some white chocolate candy melts, and you are also going to need some square pretzels, but I couldn't find any of the big square pretzels, so I ended up buying like a bag of Chex Mix and picking out the pretzels. And then I couldn't find Rolos either, so I ended up just using some of these peppermint kisses. And since the pretzels were too small, I actually had to cut the tops of the kisses off just so that it wouldn't like overflow in the oven, which it kind of ended up doing anyways. You just want to preheat your oven to 250 degrees, and I just left it in for just 3 minutes because it melts really fast. And then I just melted the white chocolate again and drizzled it over the top of the pretzels. And then I decided to take some Christmas sprinkles and just sprinkle it on top. And once it finally dries, you can just take like a knife or something and scrape the sides of the pretzels so that it doesn't look so messy. But yeah, you want to make sure it hardens completely, and then it's done. So to make these peanut butter chocolate balls, you're going to need some peanut butter, some powdered sugar, Rice Krispies, and some chocolate chips or like a Hershey bar or something. So I first just added 2 cups of peanut butter, and then I did 4 cups of powdered sugar, and then 3 cups of the Rice Krispies cereal.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
I also added in 1 stick of butter that was softened in the microwave, and yeah, it helps to stir in between adding in all of this stuff. And once it gets too hard to stir, it helps to use your hands because the ingredients are like really thick, so it makes it kind of hard to stir. And you're going to be rolling it into balls anyways. Yeah, I just didn't show that part because it got too messy. So my mom actually helped roll the balls and I covered them in the chocolate. So yeah, this part is really easy. It just kind of takes a long time. But once you've covered them all in chocolate, then you just want to put it in the fridge for like about 4 hours maybe. It doesn't really take that long for them to harden. And then they are all done. These are one of my family's favorite cookies for some reason. Everybody just loves them. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun making this. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Merry Christmas!